far away from the grocery store, it can be hard to buy healthy food that doesn't spoil easily. Today we will learn how to make a healthy meal at a cheaper price.
For your best health, try to have a variety of foods at each meal. An example meal that we'll be shopping for today is whole wheat pasta with a veggie and ground turkey tomato sauce. We want to have a fourth of our plate vegetables. Frozen vegetables are inexpensive and just as nutritious as fresh. Buying generic brand is cheaper and provides the same nutrition.
For our meal today, we are going to get a frozen broccoli, green beans, and tomato sauce. You cook them by putting them in water, cover it, and microwave it about 3 minutes. Put them together in a pasta sauce, and you can also eat it along with garlic pepper.
Generally, we want a fourth of our plate to be grains. In this meal, we will use whole wheat pasta, which has more fiber and nutrients than white pasta. Other grains that could be included in our meals are wheat bread, brown rice, and oatmeal.
Essential for strong muscle and skin, the amount of protein we need per meal should be about the size of a pound. Healthy, cheap protein includes frozen turkey, chicken, eggs, and tofu.
Cheap fruits that also don't spoil quickly include bananas and apples. If you're looking for an afternoon dinner dessert, freeze bananas and blend them up to make a sweet dessert similar to ice cream. Soda is tasty, but it has a lot of sugar. Instead, drink 2 to 3 cups of milk a day for all your calcium and protein. A different option is seltzer water, which has no calories and no sugar, but still all the fizz.
By shopping for a variety of foods, we can still create a cheap balanced meal that will keep you healthy.